trend. Screen glow bright, midnight dance. One more move, one more chance. Stop loss tight, but my hope runs wide. Do I bail right now or let this ride? Every signal talks like it knows me.
Good evening, guys. Stop loss tight, but my hope runs wide. Man, I love that lyric. Thank you, Mr. AI. Good evening, guys. Good evening. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys having a great night. Had a great day. We're gonna trade gold, Nasdaq side by side. We're gonna trade gold in our Ola account. I'm gonna actually lower my. Actually, you know what? I want to do L. Watch how cool this is. I can totally lower, increase my sizes, do anything I want. I'm going to go to 11 size on this, and we'll do as far as stop losses. I want to do Shift 2, right? Oh, sorry, Shift 2. What is not? What's going on over here? Shift 2, Shift 3, Shift. Oh, I'm at 2, so I want to do Shift 3. And I want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And then I want to do Control 3 and do that too. Oops, sorry. And wow, why is this not? It's not letting me do this on the okay. I was just trying to do everything with hotkeys on my thing. So we're gonna go 600 by 200 for gold if we get the signals. We're going to take our signals off the chart. We actually have a signal in gold. Gold is getting ready for a signal here. So we're gonna take that trade if it completes. Good evening, guys. So those of you guys who follow me, who have my dots indicator, know this is the latest version, F9, that gives us what we call the simple scalp signals, which are very, very good. I mean, they're never perfect. They're going to fail, but they've been like 5 out of 6 all day long today, like on a 30, 40 trade basis, meaning like I was 24 out of 29 today on those signals, which is an excellent, excellent ratio. As a matter of fact, right now we have the signal. Let's go buy it. What's going on over here? Oh, my algo is not working. I was like, it's a good thing I waited anyways. All right, we're going to buy this. All right, I'm long the product, and hopefully I'm going to get TP'd here soon. Come on. Oh, very close. Very close, and prices froze. Take profit is 64.55. There we go. Come on. Oh, no. There we go. There we go. Okay, we're done. So the trade that I like to do is kind of a double filtered trade. You know what I want to do? Let me just do this also, because we're working with little space. I'm going to take the data table off since we don't really use it. I take the data table off. Okay. I keep it very, very clean. So on the chart, the white line is actually the VWAP line. Oh, this reminds me, I gotta get a hold of Austin. It's the VWAP line that I just put on here just for shits and giggles, mainly to prepare us for having traded with Austin on Friday. I just realized we have GDP on Friday, so maybe he'll come in. Maybe he'll come in and hang with us for GDP. That would be awesome. Oh, hang on a second, guys. Hang on. Okay. I just realized, I didn't realize, I totally didn't realize that we had, where's this? Forex Factory. Yeah, we have GDP on Friday, right? Yeah, advanced GDP. This is huge. Oh, awesome. Core PC index. So we're definitely going to trade that live. And I'm going to try to bring in Austin to see what he wants to do. That'll be awesome. Okay. BFF dots only, not BFBK scalper. We're trading BFF dots only version F9. I just updated that version. That version has what we call the simple scalp structure. When you go into section number 5, which is Christmas tree settings, and you just click simple scalp, and you will be able to get the readings for what I'm doing, which is basically a super cool idea where we're trading the Christmas tree label as a preliminary signal, and the next breakout dot. You know, in this case, actually, this thing would have failed us here, the green dot. But the idea is Christmas tree is the original idea, and then you have the breakdown dot that you trade as a continuity signal. In Asia, obviously, in a very slow environment, you get very little continuity movement. I usually in Asia trade. As a matter of fact, you know what? I want to trade this NASDAQ. Hang on a second. In Asia, I trade 5.15. I'm looking only for 5 points, 5-point target, because the volatility is so small. But when I get to New York Open, we trade 10.30. So 10-point target, 30-point stop on these things. So and now I'm just trying to, it's sort of a kind of a delayed. This is the Christmas tree. This is the white dot. I'm just trying to see if I get this trade to work on a delayed basis. With gold, same idea here. You had, where's my little thing? You had, oh man, why can't I get my, there we go. You have the Christmas tree label, right? And then the breakout green dot. That was the dot that we took on Ola and traded that to the long side. All right, so those are the basic trades we like to do, the scalp trades. Good evening, everybody. Really? Live streaming. Oh, posted 1 day ago. Okay, I should be streaming on Twitter. So that looks like that trade got done, right? Now we're getting a secondary scalp in gold, which is going to be interesting. Let me see. Am I streaming on Twitter? I hope I am. Oh, I'm not seeing myself. Why am I not seeing myself? Oh, wait. I do see live. Oh, what's going on with my? You guys, somebody go on Twitter and just see if I'm streaming on live. If this thing is, it looks like I'm just not streaming here. Huh. Okay, I am seeing it. Confirm to me that you guys are seeing me on Twitter, please. Okay. I'm just trying to see if Twitter is working. All right. Good evening, everybody. Any other questions for me? So pure scalping, simple scalp, money. Hit the trade, and just keep going. On Apex is 90% off, by the way. Ola also obviously really good. I think it's a 30% discount bargain. Ola allows us to trade gold, and it's all U.S. customers. You can trade MT5 on U.S. customers, and you get my free trade placement tool, one-click tool, totally for free. And if you want to see all the things that it does, I will show them to you. Let me give you the link. Just 1 second. Hang tight. I'm just going to pull a link for you guys on exactly what this does, and I'll put it into chat. Okay. Tell me if this link is working for you. This gives you the full idea of how the one-click trader works, all the tools, all the keyboard shortcuts, and the ability to go get it. So go out there, go get it if you want to be able to use this really, really super cool tool. All right, getting a sell Christmas tree in gold. Still continue to get buy signals on NAS, which is good. So, like for example, if this turns into a green dot, that's going to give us a buy signal right now. It's a very, very simple double filtration continuity structure. Works really, really well. Even in sort of like very choppy markets, if you don't try to go for too much, like going for 5 points here, actually go for 5 points on this trade would have been 7, 10. Yeah, you would have been stopped out. But this trade would have worked. Here's a trade that's popping up right now. This trade actually worked just for 5 points. 1, 17 all the way down to 11. All right, 39 seconds left. This trade holds. It's the triangle that gives us the simple scalp signal. So very, very simple visually. You can totally see it. Twitter is working, and you see me streaming on Twitter, right? For some reason I don't see myself. It's driving me nuts. Thank you, Adbox. All right, we're gonna take it's 45. Oh, I'm in the same account. Okay, it's fine. We'll take the same account. Hopefully this will work. Gold also trying to see if we get a buy signal here. Markets recovered late in the afternoon today. Pretty bullish sign. I did an interview with Fox Business. I'm gonna put it online on Twitter after the show. We talked a little bit about AI and software and all the other interesting plays in the market. So it should be interesting. Okay, gold. Buy. All right, we're long gold. You see how fast how quickly I'm able to buy with the hotkeys. Gold is moving up a little bit. Wow, that was a really, really fast burst that just missed my target here. It's the gold trade. NASDAQ not really working. It's a slow, sloppy day. So continuity trades in Asia may not work really well for us. But the key thing to my success with all these scalp trades, I'm trading super small. So if I need to come back an hour or two later and try to do a little bit larger size to get the P&L back up, I can easily do it. So this gold went 85, to 88, but didn't quite make the spreads. Super slow today. Gold had a big dump today on the Iranian news, but stabilized, still now trading basically underneath the 4,900. Let's see if it has any juice to go higher. NASDAQ is really choppy. There's very little to do in NASDAQ here. It's just chopping around. Not very helpful. Gold being shorted towards 47? Yeah, could be. Where did you notice the heavy shorting? Waiting for the Shanghai Open. Yeah, we are. I mean, gold is just doing nothing. They're trying to just scalp this out. This actually would have gotten done on futures, but the spreads on CFDs kept me from getting the trade done. We'll see if it continues. All right, let's go to the 47 account or 46 account. Go to 46. Okay. See if I get any continuity signals here. Oh, gold is also limping down. Okay, gold trade also fails. Nothing, no continuity in Asia today. Well, if gold is going to be a sell, it's going to give us, hopefully generate a sell signal for us. We get a sell label and a sell triangle to the downside. Here comes the Christmas tree sell. You know what I noticed, by the way, with gold, actually, with gold, I totally meant to tell you this. With gold, it's actually better just to take the Christmas tree trade, take the early trade, because gold doesn't have nearly the kind of extension that NASDAQ does, but it's early signal. So we're going to actually short this thing. If this stays short like this, we're going to short it right now. Oh, it's got to stay this way. It seems very choppy here. Yeah, it just disappears. That signal goes away. Okay, no signal. We're going to short it. We're going to trade gold on the Christmas tree labels instead of the simple scalps, because it doesn't have a lot of continuity, or it has a lot of jerkiness back and forth. So the first thing, if you notice, like if you take the Christmas tree signal in gold, it's a much better signal in the sense that short here. This one, you will get these reversals too. You get a reverse and a reverse, then you absolutely reverse and trade the other way. But this is a winner, this is a winner, this is a winner, this is a winner. This would have been a winner had we come in early. We waited a little bit too long. All right, I'm going to do NASDAQ is really, really tight range. It's like a 30-point range here. Yeah, the USA session was awesome. I had, all my funded accounts banked, like literally every one of them banked really, really nicely. And I only traded like 1 or 2 hours because I had to go. All right, gold getting a Christmas tree label 35 seconds. Let's see if we can make this. Let's see if we can make this fly. No signal on gold. Gold's got a trade. Gold is a buy. So we get long gold on the buy side. Big breakout, and then we're going to see NASDAQ. Taking a Christmas tree sell on NASDAQ because, again, such choppy conditions that I'm kind of thinking there. Look at gold, just like, barely trying to crawl up there. Take profit is 71.53. The NASDAQ got done. The short trade here. And it's actually now giving me a simple scalp, which I will take. Now, gold just froze. Is it just frozen? Wow. It's just not quoted. You're right. Nothing is happening till the Shanghai Open. All right. So we took the, let's go to the 47 account. 47 account. I'm just going to rotate through all these trades on gold. All right. Short on this. Let's see if that works. That works. Okay, so actually both the Christmas tree and the continuity trade worked. Gold is just putzing around, trying to make that spread. Right then and there. Come on, baby. 71.53. 71. There we go. That got done. Oh, come on. What the fuck was that? The fuck was that? Oh, there you go. Jesus. Get me done. All right, gold gets done. NASDAQ gets done. All the scalps get done. Back to the charts. Back to conditions. Hey, Thomas. Good to see you. Hello, everybody. Well, welcome to Asia. I'm not counting the gold points, but I'm going to start counting gold points too. But I think on NASDAQ, I'm 15 so far, plus 15 on NAS. Hey, Tom, nice to have you. Asia session is popular. People like trading Asia, man. You guys like hanging out in Asia. I'm just trying to get to Austin before he goes to sleep with the baby. See if he's good for Friday. Yeah, Chinese New Year. That's right. Shanghai is closed. That's right. Thank you for reminding me. Kathy's celebrating. That's right. Yeah, that's why it's kind of a really. It's actually a super, super quiet night, guys. It's literally nothing. We're taking whatever we can. We may just trade, for like an hour today. Take whatever we can. I'm going to rotate through my Apex accounts. Guys, Apex is 90% off. All right, I'm going to put the Apex link in here. We're going to talk about that. This is going to be the last chance to lock out, get in all those accounts. So be sure. Yeah, that's the reason. Chinese New Year, that's why it's totally dead. Totally, totally dead. Nothing much moving. In NASDAQ too, because, like nobody wants to trade anything. We'll give it like, 10, 15 minutes. If nothing's happening, we'll just wrap up. There's no point in, saying it. But I do want to walk you through the stretches because they're really good. The thing that I realized just on a regular, normal trading environment, it's approximately 4 signals an hour. So a scalp signal every 15 minutes, which is a very good pace, really, really nice pace. And produces, obviously some hours you're going to get only 1 or 2 signals, but other hours you get 5 or 6. The point is it keeps you it's a good enough pace to produce a lot of good positive trades, but not so much that you're going to be insane. I think 1 every 10, 15 minutes is just the right pacing for retail trading, in terms of work. So that's why, just apart from everything else, I really like the setup. You miss a trade, it's going to be one coming out 15 minutes forward. You don't have to go crazy. And you also don't have to force a trade because there'll be one coming up relatively quickly. Yeah. So anyways, did I send the link on this on the tool? Yeah, I think I did. This is the link on the tool. This takes you to the page that explains everything the tool does. Okay. So it's really go crazy with it. Everybody who's got that has really, really enjoyed it. Trading outside the golden hours between 8 p.m. and 11 p.m. I don't know what you mean by that question. Set up the new indicator, Sarah. It couldn't be easier. You just put it on, go to settings, make sure label display mode is all. Just give it the easiest one, right? Then scroll into number 5, which is, if you want to, you can take off a setup, unclick this so it doesn't bother you. Go into Christmas tree trade settings, make sure label direction is both. Make sure show labels is both. That's it, right? Then scroll down, click simple scalp, and range requirement, just choose none. So this is like there's 0 filters here. It's very, very clean, right? And that's it. And you're good to go. And you will have all the signals you need. All right, a little bit of a Christmas tree trade in NAS. Are we good for it? 16 seconds left. Let's see. Oh, 10 seconds left. It's so boring that I'm trading the Christmas tree trade, not even the simple scalp continuity. I'm kind of trading them both. What is this? 50? Which account am I in? 52? All right, 52. Let's see if we get any continuity here. Did I miss this trade, guys? Was there a gold trade that I just missed right now? Shit. Or did we make that trade? No, we made that trade. This was a trade that we were in, right? We were in this trade. Now we just, we got nothing else to do, so we're just waiting. Maybe we'll run the session highs at 49. That would be exciting for gold. With nothing else going on here. So Kathy's talking about Forex, Thomas. I'm trading gold, which is a different beast in and of itself. So for me, I mean, gold works fine from 8 o'clock onward, but we found that gold really kind of trades early, mainly because it's like they said, we talked about pre-positioning, and because Shanghai opens at 8 p.m. for us, so we kind of adjusted a little bit earlier, But Kathy's really mainly talking about Forex. Gold is popping. Nasdaq's doing nothing. So yeah, we can see that the markets are just doing absolutely nothing for the night. I forgot that it's Chinese New Year, so we'll probably end the session a little bit early here because there's nothing going on. But we're definitely going to be there tomorrow. All right. Austin may come join us on Friday, which would be awesome. Come on. This thing is just so lame. All right, we do have this is the exact same trade I'm in already. That just served double, gives us that signal. We'll see if we can get any continuity here. Wow, look how we've literally gone like 5 minutes in 1 point range. Gold keeps climbing, guys. Gold trying to get that 4,900. They really want to run the numbers. Yeah, he's good. He's a great guy. I'm going to ask him which VWAP is better, Asia, London, or New York VWAP. Do you guys have a VWAP indicator on TradingView that you guys use? Like, anybody have a special preferred VWAP? Like best VWAP? Let's Google that. Actually, I wonder if Gemini will help me. My 5 AI assistants. Oh, come on. What is the best VWAP on Loose LUSE VWAP session? Oh, we get done, guys. Yay, we got done on our 5 points. That only took 10 minutes, so 5 points. Wow. I've had teeth being pulled being more fun. Okay, so 90% of trade there is the default TradingView VWAP is the gold standard. It's built in under indicators metrics. Oh, all right. Let's see that. Where's indicators? Indicators. What's going on over here? built-in technicals, indicators, VWAP, volume, average, weighted price. Or maybe is this the one that I have? It looks like it's the one I have. Is that the built-in one? Is this the built-in TradingView one? Oh yeah, it is. Best event for anchored view, best community scripts, advanced features. Wow, this looks very complicated. Huh. All right. Now you're going to have them explain it to us. All right. I mean, guys, let's be real. It's super, super quiet. Nothing much is going on. We can all find better things to do, like laundry, for example. We'll come back tomorrow when North America comes back online. We should have some nice volatility. But let's wrap it up. This is like, you gotta know when to hold them. You gotta know when to fold them. Today is kind of a very boring day. Any questions? I'm happy to hang out with you. Any questions you guys may have for me? I'm happy to answer anything on your mind. Yeah, today's better. It's long sleep, right? Tonight's session is it's always Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then Thursday we have coaching, and then Friday I'm down. Most accurate. How can you be down? I just made money. I made a whopping 5 points on NQ. You should have followed me on the trade. No, I'm just kidding you. It's fine. Yeah, this is the VWAP. So I actually have the proper one on here, which is good. The one that I had anchored or whatever. How come this one is not showing then? What's going on over here? Bands, multiplier, wait for time frame. I don't know, 1 minute? Where's my VWAP? Oh, it's a different color. I get it. VWAP band 1. Make this, and we need it thick. That's it. Oh, that's why we didn't see it. There it is. Okay. Gold breaking out up to the 4,900. I just realized what's kind of an interesting trade, guys. Look at the VWAP. The VWAP is white, right? Any Christmas tree label that breaks the VWAP has some nice content, has a continuity, right? Has a continuity. This one is problematic because, it really does, it's really kind of above VWAP. But this one breaks it. This one breaks above. That has like a modicum of continuity. This one is the one we traded. This is not exactly rocket fuel, but it has enough continuity to make a scalp. That's kind of interesting. In a tight Asia market, if the Christmas tree is over VWAP, we're taking, right? How do I get the red green triangles to show? Rodney, you need to go into the dots only version 9, F9, right? You got to go into inputs. And what you want to do is you want to make sure label display all. Go into section number 5, Christmas tree settings. Make sure both labels and direction are in both. And turn off range requirement none and simple scalp turned on. Just checked on. And then you're going to get the triangles. All right, we're crawling, guys. It's so slow that even I am not going to scalp after this. No degenerate stuff. These says in well charts you can trade gold, but it must be from another prop firm by an account. Well, I think they're getting well charts is getting Tradified, right? So that's cool. You can trade Tradify in the well charts, which is really cool. We do have, which account am I in? 52. Let's go to 53. 53. We actually have a legit signal here. Simple scalps signal 53. You're going to lay it on if it does materialize. 12 seconds left. Looks good to me. 7 seconds. We're short the trade. This is the simple scalp off of this sell. And we're done. And I think with that, my friends, that is what's known as making lemonade from lemons. Man, there's just nothing going on. There's actually 25 NASDAQ points out of this bullshit range. Come on, that's not bad, right? And we hit it. What was the vol indicator name? Sorry. Oh, are you asking about VWAP? VWAP? Is that what you're talking about? Volume weighted average price? Oh man, where's my thing? There we go. Is that what you're asking, Keith? That's what we have. That's what we're trading. Yeah, that's what it is. Just that's a built-in on TradingView. The way I have it set up here is I took off all the bands, right? I just want to know the first band. And I have it on a 1-minute chart, and I made it really, really thick, white thick, so you can really see it. But that's actually kind of a really cool little trick, right? The Christmas tree through from the ups, from down up and from up down. Both are very scalpable. It's another setup for us. Like here's what I mean. Where am I? Where's this? Here's the Christmas tree. Sell, boom, clean, right? This one is the Christmas tree that pops above. The first one above the VWAP. You hit it over here and it crawls up to 5 points. This one over here makes bank. This one over here, up above, makes bank. How is it? I guess this is the VWAP on. No, I can't even see it. I guess it was anchored over here, but that's probably false. Let's do a little replay. How was the VWAP here? Now here's the VWAP. So it's way above the VWAP. So there wasn't anything. The market really cruised. But here's one. We know breaks out above. Nice clean trade. Here's one breaks down below that, with a 1030 you would have made it here nicely. Here's one that breaks below the VWAP. Cool. Interesting. There's one above. This one's way above. Okay. It's definitely better in Asia when there's much more movement around VWAP, and you could just kind of, trade the momentum through it. Makes sense why I would go. Hey, Gloria, I'm glad you're liking it. Gloria made $400. That's good for her. Nice. All right. Yeah. I mean, I think we actually made 25 NAS points. So not bad for government work. And we actually made a little bit of gold trades, although gold was very, very quiet. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go. We're going to wrap up early. It's just like there's nothing going on here. Hopefully tomorrow will be a lot more action. And 9 o'clock, as always, ready to go rock and roll, okay? I'll see you guys then. Everybody have a wonderful, wonderful day. I'll see you guys later. Bye.